I'm using front camera so that at least I know what we can see in the screen as of now. I have not got the time and to set this completely well. So it's a front camera, so you will see opposite. And I'm sorry, I don't have mirror thing on this. So we are opening the Vinci Enigma Tarot. The seller had mentioned to me that it is the book and the cards together. So this seems like an old copy, but I think they just wanted to complete it. They wanted to complete the stock. I don't mind sometimes if the thing inside is good enough. Yes, I do believe it might have been an old copy, but then I'm so glad it's not used though. It is not used. So I'm glad I got both of them. Congratulations to me. So it's both the things together. Let's see. I like the design as well. And I had got to know, I had done some research on this before purchasing it. I was very enticed, you can say, to get this. But I just wanted to make sure, what am I purchasing? And I got to know these cards are supposed to be, and this is not a new deck, it is I think used, or it has been opened once. Because see, the setting is opposite direction, or do they set it like that? I'm not sure. Probably they have set it like that. Probably. Yeah, both of them are in opposite direction, like this. So probably they are set like that. Let's see in sequence. Yes, it has been opened once. Because usually what happens when tarot decks come, they come in a sequence from Fool till everything else. So what I was saying is I had researched on it, and I had got this information that this deck is especially to connect with the purpose of life, which is what I had read somewhere. So I had taken it, even though this is the pictures which I saw weren't something which I would usually connect to. These are all the cards given here. I think it's all the cards, or only major. Maybe only major. Probably all. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 80 cards. Yes. These are all the cards. These two are left empty. These are all the cards. So this deck is related to somebody who is connected to intuition better and has been a reader for a while. It's not for newbies. That is what I had got the information about newbie thing. Alright. They are not in sequence. Let's count the cards, okay? Whether they are complete or not. Apart from this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57,